This product, it is ideal for cook and grill, heating, campfire, smokeless, collapsible, portable, durable, easy to use, and hassle-free. The name of this product, it is called the Slinky stove. And I want to review this product for you guys so you guys could check out how nice this product is. All of that coming up next. Good morning. Today I have a brand new product for you. Great product that's gonna help you out while you're camping or maybe when you're at home. A great product to review here. It is called the Slinky stove. I wanted to show you here so you can see how you could practically put it anywhere. The name of this product, it is called the Slinky stove, and it's pretty much a fire pit, a telescopic fire pit, or it could be used as a grill. Let's begin with the unboxing here. By the way, this is the 17-inch. I believe they have a 7, 17, and 24. So this is the 17-inch here. Wow, off the bat, very nice presentation here. So we have the grill here. I'm assuming a bag here for storage. Here. Yeah, it's like a bag for storage. More stuff here. I don't know what this is. I guess I have to read the manual. And the actual fire pit itself here. By the way, you see me wearing this clothes. We are in North Carolina here, and that's why I wanted to review this product for you guys, because this particular site here, our fire pit is here and our RV is here, so all the smoke is hitting us inside the RV. So with this product in particular here, the Slinky stove, I could put it pretty much wherever I want because it never touches the ground. So you can see here, that never touches the ground. So after unboxing the package, we have the fire pit itself here. I'm assuming a plate that goes in here in case you want to cook, grill, and a cover, and a bag here to store it away. And this is the cool feature about this fireplace. It's telescopic. See? You pretty much control the height. So this is at its lowest right here, medium, and third. Voila. Great product here. In case you want to do a fire, this is similar to the solo stove, much better, because the solo stove, number one, it's not telescopic. You could grill. And let me mention that this product is patent, and like I mentioned before, it comes in 3 different sizes: 7, 17, and 24. I'll put a link here so you guys could check out the product itself. But there you have it. So what I'll do is later on today, I'll make a nice fire and put it to use. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to store it away. So this is your bag. This collapses back into its original position. All this stuff goes inside and you put it in here. So Let me show you guys right now. And there you have it, guys. Check it out. Look. Look how it is to store it away. Very, very cool product here. The Slinky stove here. Storable solution. I guess I mentioned this product is patent. It's a telescopic fire pit. You could grill. You could pretty much do s'mores. Anything you feel like doing in this telescopic fire pit. Here are the links here, so you could check out the products online. They come in 3 sizes, and this is very, very convenient. You don't have to be camping. You could use it in your backyard as well. It creates a nice vortex. It's hard to explain, but tonight when I do my fire, I'll show you guys. Okay, let me show you here again. Easy storage. Boom. That's your cover. Grill. Your plate or frying pan here, and then the actual fire pit here, which is telescopic. You put her into the position you like, and then put it back in here. You see this little 4 screws? They align in those 4 holes right there. Boom. Grill. Cover. And just voila, there you have it. It basically takes no space. In my case, it'll go there perfect. Let me show you guys. See? Perfect. Great product. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay guys, and as you can see, I'm no longer in North Carolina. I'm wearing a nice tank top. Blue sky, sunny weather. We're back in Florida. It was way too cold in North Carolina to do this, to finish wrapping up the video for you with the fire, but here it is, with the fire on. The Slinky stove. This is what I was trying to explain to you guys. You see those holes? That creates a nice vortex effect, which is giving you this nice fire up here. And check it out. It's nice product here, the Slinky stove. I'm very pleased with the product, and I'll put a link here so you guys could go and check it out for yourself. I hope this video was useful to you guys. And if you like our content, consider subscribing to our channel. We're just gonna chill here. I'm just gonna chill here because Lena's working. Just relax and enjoy my Slinky stove here.